Good morning. This is Ramasys Tripathi from Department of Pharmacognosy, Gayatri College of Pharmacy. For the diploma first year student for experimental pharmacognosy, let me welcome all of you to another experiment, very interesting experiment that is known as Killer-Killiany test. Killer-Killiany test, it is specifically meant for identification of deoxy sugar, digitoxos, for the identification of cardiac glycoside which is present in digitalis leaf. We are going to identify through this experiment. So let us start the experiment. The requirements are coarse powdered digitalis leaf, ethanol, lead acetate, acetic acid, glacial acetic acid, chloroform, concentrated sulfuric acid, ferric chloride solution. And regarding the glasswares, we have to collect the beakers, the heating mantle or hot plate, some test tubes, a separating funnel like this, okay, funnel, filter paper, etc. Glass rod, yes. So let us start the experiment. First we have to boil 1 gram of powdered digitalis leaf with 10 ml of 70% alcohol or ethanol for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, here I am boiling. Okay, keep it continuous stirring so that bumping should not take place. After that, we have to filter it. After 2 to 3 minutes, we have to filter it in another test tube. Okay, and we have to add a small quantity of distilled water. Distilled water, small quantity of distilled water, and when the solution is hot, we have to add few ml of lead acetate solution to make it precipitate, to make it free from the tanninous substances. So here also I am adding to the filtrate lead acetate solution, and you can see clearly that here the precipitation took place. You can see the precipitate condensed at the bottom of the beaker. Okay, now again we have to refilter it. Again we have to refilter it. We'll get such type of solution there, which we have to take in the separating funnel. Okay, in the separating funnel, and we have to add equal volume of chloroform. Here I am adding equal volume of chloroform very slowly so that the separation can take place. Okay, here you can see 2 layers. The lower one is the chloroform layer and the upper part is the aqueous extract. Okay, then very gently we have to shake it. It will give, or we will follow the vigorous shaking. What will happen? The foaming may take place. Okay, and in which the separation will be difficult. Okay, now we have to collect the chloroform layer in another beaker. Okay, the chloroform layer is another beaker like this. Okay, and we have to evaporate it till dryness. We have to evaporate it till dryness. Okay, here I am keeping it for drying. Okay, maintain the temperature below 40 so that bumping may not take place. And here you can see we have to dry it till the last residue remain in the beaker. Okay. Now we have to dissolve Yes, before dissolving it, we have to give 2 drops ferric chloride solution in that. It will be worked as a coloring agent, just 2 drop and few ml of glacial acetic acid. Here I am taking glacial acetic acid. Okay. Just add to dissolve it. You can see a reddish green color there. Okay, a reddish green colorization there. Now we have to transfer it to a test tube, to another test tube. And add concentrated sulfuric acid along the side of the test tube. Just take equal volume of concentrated sulfuric acid, then you can see clearly a ring will be developed at the junction of 2 liquid, and gradually the upper layer will turn to greenish yellow color. Here you can see I am providing a white background so that it can be seen clearly. A ring is developing at the junction of 2 liquid that indicates the presence of deoxy sugar digitoxose. Now we can interpret that the supplied digitalis leaves contain deoxy sugar digitoxose, and the test is specifically known as Killer-Killiani test. It may come in your exam, in your theory exam, as a short note, and it may also can be given in the practical exam as the synopsis. So be clear with the Killer-Killiani test. Have a good day. Thank you.